Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to move the motion on the establishment of a select committee to investigate and report on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County. That whereas, pursuant to Article number 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act, on Thursday, the 8th August 2024, the Meru County Assembly approved a motion to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru, and further whereas by letter referenced MCA/RES/Volume 4/79, dated 9th of August 2024, and received in the office of the Speaker of the Senate on Friday, the 9th August 2024, the Speaker of the Meru County Assembly informed the Speaker of the Senate of the approval of the motion by County Assembly and further forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly. And whereas, pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 81(b) of the Senate by resolution may appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter. Now, therefore, pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 81(b), the Senate resolves to establish a special committee comprising the following senators. 1. Senator Wakili Hilary Sigei, MP, Senator Abdul Haji, MP, Senator Wahome Wamatinga, MP, Senator David Wafula Wakoli, MP, Senator Gloria Oruoba, MP, Senator Karen Nyamu, MP, Senator Boy Juma, MP, Senator Eddie Okech, MP, Senator Shakila Abdallah, MP, Senator Betty Mondet, MP, and Senator Beatrice Akinyi, MP, to investigate the proposed removal from office of the Governor of Meru County and pursuant to Standing Order number 82, to report to the Senate within 10 days of its appointment on whether or not it finds the particulars of these allegations against the Governor to have been substantiated. Mr. Speaker, as you pointed out clearly when you are reading out these charges, this is the 5th time that the Senate is being called upon to discharge this oversight responsibility. And because members are already familiar, and this is purely a procedural motion, Mr. Speaker, I do not want to belabor it, but I want to ask colleagues to reflect on this motion, whether we shall be doing the very best of what is expected of us if we allow a special committee to inform us, or whether we should go the plenary way. Whichever way you decide, the office of the leader of the majority, and indeed, in consultations with the office of the leader of the minority, we will oblige. We have no preferred position. Mr. Speaker, I would like colleagues to view the list of the names of these senators here not as an attempt for us to twist them to go the committee way, but a legal requirement, a procedural requirement that we had to uphold. Mr. Speaker, with those many remarks, I wish to request the leader of the minority, the Honorable retired Justice Madayo, the Senator of Kilifi, to come and second my motion. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.